Yogitarani Devi, lecturer in physics. I am going to teach 11 and 12 physics. Aduna ngasi akoina tawdorisi optics ki parani. Optics haradi the study of light. Light ki maramda nainabado adu optics kawi. Ihan hanboina aina noida takadoisi reflection of light by spherical mirrors. Si maramda tambigani aina noi ngasi noida tambidoise. Adu haipet mamangi singdu kitang ningjangsi kwa noina hana primary oina noina khangibasi kai khangre class 10 bauda light habasi light travels in straight line mangan habasi straight line da satli se tamgre adu when light falls on a particular object its path is seen mangan gi paringdo nangna kaiguma pot amada light na yeiba matamda mangan gi paringdo adugi lambe nu hongi masigi phenomenon sibu koina kai kauge bu masibu kai kauge da reflection kawe to saija laira reflection edi kariba it is the phenomenon of change in paths of light mangan gi paringda ahong balakpa without any change in medium di hongjadrasu mangana karigumba object amada yairaba matungda mangan gi lamben do hongbodo madubu khoina kai kauge bo reflection kawis da nokoi gi namangda diagram laire tu kaidoba mangan gi sanga iba light sibo ina incident ray kawi masna mirror amda sigi points da yaire du yaira matungda after striking at this point it is reflected along this path sigi reflect riba ray sibo khona reflected ray kawi sanga iba ray sibuna incident ray kawi aduga at the point of incidence ta nangna normal 90 degree da normal am singani sumaina ko aduna incident ray ga normal ga gi maraki angle sibo angle of incidence aduga normal ga reflected ray ga sigi marak sibuna khoina angle of reflection aina kawi laws of reflection na kai haiba ihan hambada noi namangdo uriba durige dum yengo incident ray normal and reflected ray they lies in the same plane amta da moi taminayeba punna taminaba duna ne khoni yekpa yari se ko aduna lamdaba taminaram da tardi yekpa ngamoy so number 1 c incident ray normal and reflected ray they lies on the same plane similar law number 2 na kari haraba law number 2 na mugengo sedanang diagrams de khona khange angle of incidence I ga angle of reflection R ga se chawba manayeba so law number 2 na kari hare angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection hojik next hojik akhoi reflection of light on spherical mirrors haidi akonba mirror singda plane mirror nataba akonba mirror singda kramain tawdana mangan se masina chatpagi adu yengsi adu masi hauramdai da ne na khoi aina ihan hambada sign convention gi rule hana take sign convention to sign convention gi rule se masi yam darkar le aduna sign convention gi rule se take kai kai noi du yengsi sida mirror am laire concave or convex mirror am laire mirror am laire di hariba concave natra convex mirror se they are supposed to be cut off from a sphere am de ka e adana lawgani aduna maram oidana makoi gi they will have their center of curvature to say center of curvature laigani makoi gi to si sina mirror is maina laire aduga magi manangan sida nang sana hidak si taire aduna nang no udori si songi mapan thangwa sida ni nang na mirror oidoise sumaina kutsan ba ko kutsan ba maramna si maming se concave ko weba ko cap haradi surung haibani adai laura kanda concave kutsan ba da yengba si mamai kutsan ba je yengba sibuna concave mirror kawi aduga sumaina lairaga somna kanda yeng taradi songi sina pongthok ba se yengaga na madubu convex mirror en kawi aduna sidai sida ina ye ibasi diagram se yengo both concave and convex mirror animakta nang they are supposed to be made of from sphere hairabanina sphere khudingi center amam laigani to center laire adagidi center se laire kansida nang seisida imaginary line ama sumaina chinge haiba imaginary line se masina mirror dugi point ama khakta kai hariba points bo khoina kai ko gu pole of the mirror ene ko gani pole of the mirror se su laire sida su laire adudagidi pole of the mirror ga center of curvature ga gi tangkhai da point ama lai madubuna khoin kai ko ge bu focus kawi to se laire aduga true center of curvature focus nangna singiba imaginary line do madu maming na kai ko ge bu principal axis haina kawe principal axis adagidi noina makata na khangba yari se center of curvature ga focus ka si marak ki distance natraga focus ka pole ga gi marak ki distance mo khoina kai ko ge bu focal length haina kawe focal length ko aduga center of curvature daina pole bogi arapa se masibuna kai ko ge bu radius of curvature r ko we radius of curvature r si kawi adagidi nakhoina khangba ya ba se ko kai kai laire nangna seisida horen reflection gi damakta season ga doiba portion of a mirror from which reflection of light actually takes place nangna reflection gi damakta sina doyo portion of mirror gi portion do si saruk sibo aina kai ko gi aperture of the mirror kaune aperture of the mirror ko aduga spherical mirror is kaino haradi spherical mirror is that mirror whose reflecting surface is the part of a hollow sphere of glass ngasai hollow sphere amagi part amani edana smai khumni ba spherical mirror se ko hauji sign convention gi rule sing do ai hai ge ngo sign convention gi rule da kai haraba se suppose se nang principal axis leire se da nang na object am thame object si mathak lom da sumaina nang si oiragadi height upward ta logoda ba height se masina positive longne ba sigi principal axis ki mathak lom da logoda ba height sina positive logani makharom da logoda ba downward sina negative logani mangan se light are supposed to be coming from the object ai la en logani aduna incident light ki mai kai se masi si mai kai sida along this direction da incident light se chatli aduna those measurement which is along this direction si mai kai sida on ba measurement khuding mak to should be taken as positive on logani se suppose sumaina somna kanda sumai on ba adubu every measurement should be done from the pole of the mirror ihan hana nang na khangadaba se measurement khuding mak pole de on gadaba ne ba suppose nang sigi object si magi distance on ge di pole lom dagi sumai olakan sumaina adudi which is against the direction of incident light ki direction gi against the nina sigi magi distance se minus logani adudi suppose from the pot am lairadi nang pole dagi na sibok sumai on doini adu oitaragana that will be taken as positive sumai tawrani ba aduna sign convention gi rule do ai hanjina ungtang ga haige munataw every measurement should be done from the pole of the mirror dagi measurement khuding malogani light are supposed to be coming from the object dagi mangan si la e na logani those measurement which is against the direction of light mangan ge against the loragadi that will be negative and along the direction of light somna kan log taragana it should be positive adagidi height upward ta on ba khuding ma positive aduga downward ta on ba khuding ma negative sumain tawdana nang na logani adudi hauji akoina spherical mirrors khangde ama khangde ma on ba khuding ma ki karam na logada ge do laire next hauji mirror equation mirror gi su equation am blai that is the relation between object distance, image distance and focal length moi marakta lainaba mari adui maramdani adubu madu tawdringe mamangda nakhoina ray diagram am yekpada kari kari ray sing changi aduga loinana karamba lairiba part sing sigi karamba property si li habado ai hana haige adu hauji yengo to akhoina kari khange da akhoi supnagi ray ani khak changi ko kai gumam yekpada ray ani khak changi madudi kai ray no amana principal axis ta parallel oiba ray ama aduga atopa mana either masi center of curvature phawba ray ama natragana focus phawba ray ama natragana pole phawba ray ama sumai tawdana ray ani khak na kakna raga madura semiba kakna bamdur semiba duna image oigani hauji yengsi ai haige ngo to ayok jai gre supnagi ray ni khak changani. In principle we can take any two rays emanating from a point on an object, trace their path, find their point on an object, trace their path, find their point of intersection, and thus obtain the image of the point due to reflection at a spherical mirror. Sini aduna akoi ray sing dudi kari ray no yengase hojik ai nga sai so hai gra. Number 1 noina sinaba ya ray se kaino the rays from the point which is parallel to the principal axis. Principal axis ta sidai sida si principal axis ta parallel oi by the si lai se, and after reflection it will pass through focus phawgani to say hare the reflected rays goes through focus of the mirror to mirror gi focus mai phawkan sumai la aduga focus phawgani. Atopa number 2 nangna sina baya ba atopa ray di the ray passing through the center of curvature of a concave mirror on the center of curvature the phawgadaba aduga center of curvature the phawraba ray dudina madi sungthek thektana adum chakhineba. The reflected ray simply traces the path. So I say center of curvature wo phawraba ray dudi it will not deviate madi thek oi kaimbo it will be straight. Aduna si number 2 the center of curvature phawba lai si sida is the straight sa. Number 3 the ray passing through the focus phawra satpa focus phawra di after reflection the parallel to the principal axis oirakani to the focus of the concave mirror or appealing to pass through the focus of the convex mirror. The reflected ray is parallel to the principal axis. I say adagi atopa mana noina sijinaba yaba se ray makhan mari lai. The ray incident at any angle at the pole da nangna any angle da ray ma changakpa haiba ray si madu kaidoge da the reflected ray follows laws of reflection to say ure pole da smai changakpa ray si after reflection da same angle of incidence ka chawba manana angle of reflection ju smai thokani. Sini si nakoina any image ama form taunana bai damukta hariba makhal mari gi ray se si manung dagi ani khak sinaba yani ba mari mak nate ani khak ana khwaidai laiba di kai kari laire parallel to the principal axis aduga amana center of curvature aduga sometimes center of curvature nungai tragana focus phawba ma natraga pole phawba ma swaina adu ani khaktane ba sinagadabdi ayang paikada karigumba image ama phangnana badangta nangna ray kaya darkar lai haradi ray ani khakne no in darkar oidoise ko hojik mirror formula gi para haurasi adugi damakta koi kedore let us take concave mirror MPN silore adui mamang da aina object ama beyond center of curvature da AB haibam thame ꯑꯗꯨꯒꯤꯗꯃꯛꯇ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯅ ꯔꯦ ꯌꯦꯛꯑꯁꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯄꯦꯔꯥꯂꯦꯜ ꯔꯦ ꯑꯃ ꯂꯧꯔꯣ ꯔꯤꯐ꯭ꯂꯦꯛꯁꯟ ꯐꯣꯀꯁ ꯐꯥꯎꯔꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯑꯇꯣꯞꯄ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔ ꯑꯣꯐ ꯀꯔꯚꯦꯆꯔ ꯐꯥꯎꯕ ꯂꯩ ꯑꯃꯒ ꯂꯧꯔꯣ ꯑꯅꯤꯁꯤꯈꯛ ꯂꯧꯔꯒ ꯌꯥꯔꯅꯤꯀꯣ ꯑꯗꯨꯒ ꯍꯧꯖꯤꯛ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯦꯜ ꯏꯃꯦꯖꯁꯤ A prime B prime ꯗ ꯐꯪꯉꯦ ꯑꯗꯨ A prime B prime ꯗ ꯐꯪꯉꯤꯕ ꯐꯥꯏꯅꯦꯜ ꯏꯃꯦꯖꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯐꯪꯉꯕ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗ PB ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯤꯅ ꯑꯣꯕꯖꯦꯛ ꯗꯤꯁꯇꯦꯟꯁ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯗꯨ ꯉꯁꯥꯏꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯏꯟ ꯀꯟꯚꯦꯟꯁꯟꯒꯤ ꯃꯇꯨꯡ 이nnꯗꯤ ꯑꯦꯒꯦꯟꯁꯇ ꯑꯣꯜꯂꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ object distance should be minus u adagi next PB prime sina image distance sisu against the leire aduna minus v dagidi hojik haurasi kamaina laugadagi adu yengo saysida right angle triangle A prime B prime A faibama adagi atopa M P A faibamga masi lower si aperture sine yam pi abanina you should approximate MP as right angle amagi saruk ni perpendicular ni ena logani ko aduna for parallel axis ray MP can be considered to be a straight line perpendicular to CP the perpendicular of a straight line ni ena logba yare adudi hojik yengasi similar triangle ani side koi kari logba yare A prime B prime divided by PM to magi perpendicular singsida say A prime B prime divided by PM is equal to adu orgadi B prime F divided by PF say sumai tawdana sida yelibadu somna yenba loinana sida yelibaduna sine yele adu idi hojik makha tabada A prime B prime si songida mugloragadi divided by AB maramdi PM ga AB ga sangba manabanina is equal to B prime F by PF si leire ado idi si sisu amuk next ABP haiba sisu similar triangle ni ABP ne aduga A prime B prime P siga ani si similar triangle nina sidagi amu kari lorage habada A prime B prime divided by AB is equal to B prime P divided by BP siga manare ane equation singje compare tawra matung daidi akhoi kaidore compare tawra matung dagidi akhoi na phangi se final da B prime F by PF ko B prime F ta PF na yan basiga equals to B prime P divided by BP siga manare ba dai nang value hapsan ba yare ai nga sai gibdo B prime P abasidi minus B aduga BP sna minus U aduga FP abasisu nangna minus focal length si minus ni laurise aduna hoji ka aroi bada my value sing loi hapsala kanda nang you can equation to yare adu equation tawrakan chedi finally you get si 1 by V plus 1 by U equals to 1 by F si tare ko si value se aduna si tare adagidi si equation se masbu kai kauge bo mirror equation kawi adudagidi magi magnification puthokpa yare magnification m masidi kaina pige bu size of the image relative to the size of the object aduna size of the image do ice prime laire size of the object na ice adu ngasai sign convention gi rule gi matungina value se hapsan ganda khoi kai tarage bu magnification am is equal to minus v by u sitare magnification aduna any na khoina spherical mirror singidi magnification se asina pigani same nangna mirror gi equation se convex gi sudum puthokpa yai smaina madu noina yumda yengjaro adra hojik chaisida ai noida makha tabada image makhal ani adui maramda ai hairage yengo se suppose sida noina mangda ai na hojik diagram am pukhatle sigi diagram sida kaidore AB हाइबो ऑब्जेक्ट अम लेरे मागी इमेज येकननबैदमक्ता आई पैरेलल रिएम लौरे आफ्टर रिफ्लेक्शन फोकस फाउग्रे अतोपमना सेंटर ऑफ कर्वेचर फाउरे अनीजी सी मफमसिदा थेंगनरबनिना सिदा नंगना इन्वर्टेड इमेज अमा प्रोड्यूस तौरे सुमाइन तौदना रिफ्लेक्टेड लाइट सिंगना डायरेक्ट कक्नरगा सेमबा अदुगुम्बा ममी से मसिबो खोइना कै कौगेबु रियल इमेज कौवेबा अमुकांजना हाइगे the image formed by the intersection of the reflected light. Reflected light singna intersect torkanda semeba makhangi image sibu kai kaugebu real image kaweba. And they always they are always inverted. Moise ayama matamda mathanga onagani and they can be obtained on screen. Screen the moidi phangni ba ko noi sida lairiba B prime A prime se screen da phangba ngam gani. Next thing of the virtual image ama mu yengasi virtual image to real image da di direct kakna raga semba adugumba image dubu real image kawe hojik da virtual image am laire concave mirror am laire concave mirror am lauraga hojik object se within focus manungda focus ka pole ga gi manungda object se aina thame masigi mami ko yesi to parallel rem laure after reflection the focus powerani atopa rem na center of curvature phawlo ani se diverse taure ani se suksam samnara roi ko aduna sida nangna imaginary line da mabani se samnare aduna final image se kai dore final image si A prime B prime no namang da legisini si you get an erect mathanga ona daba sumdring sumba adugumba mami of large size gi mami ama produce tawre aduna sumaina produce tawriba mami sibu khoina kai kauge bu virtual image kawe ko bhapna saba haibadri maming dri nang khange su dum yare virtual haradi hariba image udi reflected light singna kakna raga same de makoi gi imaginary ray singna kakna raga semba aduma makhan gi image du khona virtual image kawi and they are always erect chumjing chumni and it may be enlarged magnified oi bayai oi da bayai heng pai khada nakhoi da question ama hang bayai difference between real image and virtual image kai kari answer khum yare the real image can be obtained on screen but virtual image cannot be obtained on screen da ta baya de the real image kai the way they are formed by the intersection of reflected light reflected light singina kakna raga sembani whereas virtual image singdi they are formed by the intersection of imaginary rays singna kakna raga semi sumaina laire aduna hojik concave ka convex ka gi khena basano heng parkhada hangasu sumai khumgani point ama ni adum khumba yai next aina nga sai haire virtual image se either it may be magnified chawbasu yai natraga pikbasu yai to so next ki sida aina se sida diagram ama noida pukhala ise so convex mirror am laire convex mirror mamang do object am thame adoi taradi magi parallel rays after reflection da madi ka dorani focus tagi imaginary line da haigalaga diverse tawgrani atopam na center of curvature power ni ani ji sida kaknarani aduna seisida A prime B prime ba mami se same ado sida same ba mami se masi kai doge habada sigi mami se akoi we get an erect image aduna it is also virtual image masu virtual image ni ado virtual image ni aduga of smaller size madi pikthai aduna sidagi akoi na khange virtual image si pikbasu yai chawbasu yai masidagi di kana bakhara thore practical applications of spherical mirrors ki kana base kai lei habado kai lai ra yengo nai namang da hoji concave mirror dadi nang within focus the object tu thangjan kanda mami du large image ama produce to bonina masi kana base masi lower kanda dentist singna natragana koi kokpa matamda saving mirror oina concave mirror sing sineba dentist singna noina dentist ta chatpa matamda noi ya hobogumba karigumba mirror yam pikpa macha ama torakanda ya makhongda pusalaga yengi ko adudai ya manungi ahoba karikra do madu concave mirror oibanina nangi ahoba do yamna magnified oina ugani madugi kanaba do madu lawi so practical application of concave mirrors is sigai laire next the convex mirror to noi namangda ina ye se convex mirror the always virtual image of smaller size apikpa image adum produce tawi aduna masi kanabadi kaino si kanabadi akoina hojik noina thoriba two wheeler natraga four wheeler singi side glass ta happy bado madu convex mirror ni masi kanabadi kaino bu mana smaller image produce tawrabanina thoriba driver duna magi matungda lairiba laiba gari kayam lai natraga kayam lakte kayam aige habado magi pikraba mirror do adudai da loina magi tungi side view do loi uba ngameba that's why aduna maram oidana convex mirror si hojik side glass of vehicles oina sijinai sini akoi hojik phauda spherical mirrors ki kana ba mayam ama khangre parikha noi adum hangba yai hojik noida aina mu haiphet chawrangna haiba ya ba topa problem am khagai haige ngo noida sometimes parikha daga adum hangbasu dum yai kai no bu you are given 3 mirrors of same dimension chap mana ba dum mirror pire one is plane mirror another is concave another is convex how can you identify the 3 of them without touching them shuk tana moy hum do kramain tawdana khandokadage haiba question je mase noida hangba yai ada nokoina kramain khandokani khandokpadi yam laire kai no yana bada mirror ama khak nangna sangjan bada nangi mami do khangchau chau khaladi that will be concave mirror ado nangna sangjan bada nangi image do pick agadi that will be convex mirror and the last one will be plane mirror so maina you can distinguish them moi siam line khandok pa yai hojik mirror ki kana ba kai no loi khangre next plane mirrors ki matang na no yam tamgre kwa aduna plane mirrors ki magi kano singdo ai ta roi masi sometimes like khara da yawe ai dana ai noida sum khangna na ba sum khangjal lu ai dana ai no khoi da sum takpani noigi larikta yawba natraga yawdawai wa natre noida khangjinna na bai damangta if two plane mirrors are inclined at an angle theta then the number of images of an object held between the two plane mirrors inclined at theta is mabani marakta leiba object se masi magi mami ga phangada gebu mami du number n sina pini which is given by 360 degree by theta minus 1 masi oigani if 360 says that theta na yen masi even integer orgadi masi gi division sida even value phangagadi -1 hapkani aduga odd oitaraga na n equals to 360 by theta sina oigani mabani division gi phone se odd integer taragadi sini aduna khudam ama ipige ngo se exercise am yaure an object is placed between two plane mirrors inclined at 30 degree to each other. How many images do you expect to see? Mami kya ugada ge na hangaga di question do oji ngasi theta se 30 degree ni adodi 360 by 30 di kya tare 12 tai adana -1 half tare mai di ana 11 adana ngasai phangdoi ba mami se 11 images phangni sumain tawdana akoi nokoi like ta di kaya kana di yaude adu khangjin ba kana ya aduna aina masimadi hapchalakpani next ta hauji phauda aina ta iba mayam do angtang remind tawsi kari laigre kai laigrage habada nang ko mirror equation dagi 1 by v plus 1 by u equals to 1 by f adagi amok seisida nangi namangda aina sa ama puthoi f focal length haibasi kaino focus haibasi radius ki tangkhai da lai so radius of curvature is twice focal length aduna focal length is radius divided by 2 ada linear magnification di kaina pireba linear magnification di size of image divided by size of object aduga given by minus b by u natragana nangna you can derive focal length minus b divided by f or focal length divided by f minus u sumain tawdana you can find out magnification sumaina magnification singne puthokpa yai sumaina nangna ngasi gi khangiba mayam se masi sinarakanda nakoi angka mayam ama hotpa yare aduga unity focal length si SI unit ta meter ko radius sungaire SI unit di meter da hotli sumain tawdana you can calculate by using the formulas sing sinarakanda nang calculate mayam am tawba yare aduga hojiki matam de angka yam hangi ko aduna angka singse yaringai hotnagadabani aduga nangi lairik tu da yauriba parasing do yam phajana munna paro point by point aduga points to ponder adagi summary suma mayam khango aduga nangi lairik no gi prescribe to riba like to da yauriba workout example mayam holo exercise mayam holo khangdaba do khoi ga hangna ba yai sumain tawdana na khoi yam laina jumda laina na khoi parasing se masi khangna na bu honaro aduna ngasi gidi swai dai loisilage angka khara dum holu angka haibase hojiki matam da yam hange ko aduna angka hotpa haibase ma kawo yadre mathangi class ta kai gumba sangaga di angka gumba su ai takna na bu honage ngasi gidi swai da loisilage